At sunrise, the mountain looks untouched, like it has for centuries.
But inside this rock, a door opens that was never meant to be seen.
No heavy trucks, no blasting crews, only quiet electric carts.
As we enter, the tunnel wakes up, lights reacting to our presence.
These walls aren't natural. They were carved with precision.
Every person is scanned. The mine already knows who we are. Ore is moving, yet nobody is operating the system.
The machines have been working long before we arrived. Rails, cables, sensors, the ceiling is alive with technology.
And beneath it all, a constant mechanical heartbeat. Then suddenly, the mountain opens.
An entire cavern hidden inside solid rock.
Hundreds of robotic drilling arms waiting silently. Lasers scan the walls, searching for microscopic gold. Heat maps reveal what human eyes never could. The system chooses the richest vein automatically.
Water-cooled drills begin cutting into the mountain.
Every fragment falls exactly where it needs to go.
Huge jaws crush boulders into manageable stone.
Secondary crushers turn rock into gravel. Screens sort material by size and weight.
Anything too large returns for another break.
The fine ore travels deeper into the plant.
Steel balls grind it into powder.
Now the rock becomes liquid, a mineral slurry.
Magnets remove metals that aren't gold. Spiral concentrators begin the separation. Heavy particles sink. Waste flows away. Shaking tables refine it further. For the first time, gold becomes visible.
A robotic arm collects the concentrate.
Analysis confirms the deposit is rich. So the mine expands deeper automatically.
The concentrate enters sealed tanks.
Oxygen feeds the reaction. Gold dissolves into the solution. Carbon filters capture the invisible metal. Robots replace the loaded filters.
Pressure and heat release pure gold again.
Now the liquid itself holds treasure. Electric current flows through the solution. Gold slowly plates onto steel sheets. Crystals grow like frost, but heavier. The cathodes are lifted out. Workers collect the gold sludge. It dries into a dark powder. Flux is added to remove impurities. The furnace ignites brighter than daylight. Metal melts into liquid fire. Waste floats away as slag. Molten gold pours into molds. A bar is born. Steam rises as it cools. A serial number marks its identity. Weight is verified automatically.
Purity is confirmed.
The vault opens. Another bar joins the growing reserve. The control room watches everything. Only 2 people manage the entire mountain. Outside, nothing looks different. But underground stretches for kilometers. More gold has already been located, and the machines move toward it. Multiple tunnels work simultaneously. Ore travels endlessly on conveyors. Waste rock rebuilds empty chambers. Water is cleaned and recycled. The river returns untouched. A drone carries proof to the surface. The door disappears into the rock again. The mountain hides its secret. The river keeps flowing. Sunset covers everything in silence. But underground, nothing stops it. Ore continues moving in darkness. Another bar is stacked. The vault slowly fills. Night mode activates. Humans leave. The machines keep mining. An entire hollow world beneath the rock. Lights dim, but never turn off. Because the mountain never sleeps.